Founded in 1987, Lien Sheng Mechanical and Electrical is specialized in electric discharge machines, wire cut EDM, and associated automatic equipment. We run our business based on integrity and professionalism and provide a complete line of good products and services at a reasonable price. Lien Sheng sells products all over the world under the brand of Aristech. With the business motto, customer satisfaction, client-oriented, and constant improvement, and a pursuit for top-notch product and technology, Lien Sheng provides high-quality machinery for customers. 5-axis CNC Wire Cut EDM features water jet-driven copper wire device for easy threading and high-speed, simple operating modes, and easy-to-understand machining parameters. The unit is capable of cutting metal molds requiring extreme precision, car and motorcycle parts, 3C parts, and accessories. Digital Control CNC Wire Cut EDM features multiple patented designs, including active wire tightening wheel, upper wire tensioning design, intelligent automatic LCD mode, and electric wire slacking sensor to provide steady machining products of high quality. It is perfect for the machining of super hard alloy steel and special materials, as well as cutting of high-precision molds and parts. Active wire tightening wheel device, diamond guide, intelligent trimming system, 3-stage filtering system, electronic detection, and linear guides for accurate positioning. The CNC EDM series features the storage of more than 100 files, providing the flexibility of saving 100 different molds and customer profiles. The 40 machining programs, P-code, and various automatic 3-axis positioning and contouring programs enable machining in one run from rough to ultra-fine machining. It's the best choice for precision 3D molding machining. CNC Drilling EDM series features high-speed machining without leaving any burr behind. It is capable of automatic positioning and automatic change of electrode tubes for more accurate and faster drilling needs. It is also capable of defining drill depth based on built-in timing functions for continuous drilling of multiple holes. The LS150 Mini EDM series features a miniaturized design that required 60% less installation footprint. Compact in size, easy to operate, the series is provided with multiple automatic safety features, and the machine base is made of FC30 cast iron for the compliance with CE safety regulations. Microprocessor's control system and Z-axis double precision linear guides guarantee the extreme precision of machined pieces. Using the spark erosion techniques, the LS100 broken tap remover is designed specifically to remove the stuck tools and broken tapper in work pieces. The specially designed magnetic base allows the machining device to attach on workpiece for machining. The compact and portable design features only 6 kilograms in weight, providing greater flexibility that allows for use in all kinds of environment.